My dear brothers and sisters, I bring to you a very good yummy healthy recipes. You cannot find it anywhere else aside this my page. So just watch this video to the end and make sure you grab it very well. To prepare this beans sauce, yes, I have some meat, beef, which I'm going to season with some ginger, garlic, and onions. Cook it, keep it aside. Now this is my fresh tomatoes. I'm going to stir fry it a little bit with some coconut oil. Then add some fresh pepper, salt to taste. Stir it for about 1 minute before I go ahead with the green beans. As you can see, I added a lot, both the seed and the leaf, everything itself. I now go ahead and add my beef that is already well cooked with a little stock. Add some onions and another garlic and ginger paste. Now this is fennel seed and fenugreek powder. After that, I add carrots and give it a stir. Remember, you're cooking on a low heat because this is vegetable. You don't need to cook it so much. So after stirring it, the carrots are softened a bit, I go ahead with my green bell pepper and spring onions. At this point, I have lowered my heat completely. Add some shredded fish. This is shredded fish that I already kind of grilled and shredded it in pieces. Now added it. Stir this food. Oh my god, this is so yummy. I bet you will try it. You have to try this. It is a nutrient dense meal. So after I've stirred it very well, I go ahead and boil my beans, and I have my food ready to serve. Please guys, kindly follow my page if you're not yet following. Like this video, give it a like, drop a comment, and remember to share. Please kindly share. All right, so let me go and enjoy my meal. Yeah, this is day 12 of my eating beans every day. Yes, so I decided to make this beans sauce, and I'm going to stuff it down with some white beans,